Hi, Ison Springs. This is your media specialist, Ms. Rajante, and we are going to go over how to find books online that are in our library. Now, the easiest way to do this from home or at school is to go to the Ison Springs Elementary School main website. After that, you can go down and you can either click on Media Center right here, or you can go up and under Students, there's another Media Center link. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this one. When you click on Media Center, you will see the Media Center web page. You want to go up and click on Destiny Book Catalog, and then click on this button that takes you to the catalog. After that, you'll see the main page. You want to go up again and click on the Catalog tab. Here's where you will find books that are at Ison Springs. Okay, I'm going to go in the search category. Let's say I want to search the series Puppy Place. I would put Puppy Place in the search category. It gives me many books to choose from. You can scroll up and down on the side to choose any book you would like. I'm going to go up here and choose Cody. I'm going to click on Details. When I click on Details, it shows me a picture of the book. It tells me the author, the series, and the call number. The call number is very important. This tells me it's a fiction book because FIC stands for fiction. It also tells me the first 3 letters of the author's name. I need this to look on the shelves. If I look in the fiction section under MIL, I will find Cody. Okay, it says we have 1 of 1 copy available. So it is in our library. You can also look down here and see description. Looks like if you like Dalmatians, you would like Cody. Okay, I'm going back to my library search. Now I'm going to pick a topic. Let's say I pick library. There are tons of books that have the word library in the title. I'm going to go down and look to find one I like. Oh, here's an Amelia Bedelia book. I'm going to click on Details. The title is Amelia Bedelia's First Library Card. That sounds interesting. So I'm going to look at the call number. E stands for everybody. So I know this will be a picture book. PAR is the author's last name. So when I look in the Everybody section, I would look under PAR and I would find Amelia Bedelia's First Library Card. It also says it's available, which is always a good thing to check. If I go back to Library Search, at school, you might see an icon that says Destiny Quest. It's the same as this, but it looks a little different. So let's click on it and see. Here's Destiny Quest. Now the background may change, but it's the same. Let's look up Puppy Place again. Here are all the Puppy Place books. Let's go and look at Honey. Okay, it gives us a description of what is in this book. And then right here it tells us the call number. It's a fiction book with the same author. Miles is the first 3 letters of the author's last name. It also says N at the top. That means the book Honey is in our library right now. 1 of 1 is available. It also tells you other books you might like in the library. We already know Cody is another Puppy Place book. So is Patches and the rest. I can X out of this. Okay, that's a quick overview of our Destiny program in our catalog for the library. Have fun searching and come see me soon in the library.